I really came along because I just wanted to know what is new, what is happening, what are people doing and talking about.
I think it's really important for people in my position in organisations to get out of the business as often as they can, see what's going on outside, talk to other people, hear the challenges they're facing.
There's a big step change, I think, going on to really help push forward our employee experience. And I was here really to learn what new apps are out there in the market, what innovative things are they doing to help improve employee experience at particular moments that matter.
I think the L&D stuff is really interesting for me, and some of the exciting stuff, the interactive, the video stuff. We've got a very dispersed workforce, very young workforce, so I think the innovative ways of getting to our people directly and getting them inspired to learn is a big one for me.
Everybody has same challenges. It's good to talk about it because in your business you don't have a peer group like that to talk to with and understanding similar issues and finding solutions. So that knowledge exchange within your peers is really priceless to have, and that's why a conference like that makes so much sense.
I've already met a good supplier to talk about how I can communicate with my broader team of employees. So yeah, it's been good so far.
I've had a hugely enjoyable time at the event. I've met some very interesting people. I will be coming back next year if I'm invited.
In comparison to other initiatives or conferences I have been to, this is really quite valuable because, first of all, it's very well organized.
My second time, so I've come back, which is good. I've recommended it to a colleague who's joined me this time as well, and definitely come back, and I'm sure she will as well.